Well, now I want to introduce my friend and my colleague, Marty Makary, and I've already ruined his announcement.
Thank you, Secretary Kennedy and Secretary Rawlings. We wouldn't be here were it not for both of your vision to make this happen, so thank you. Secretary Rawlings, you've been the perfect partner in this. When we first said we want to remove all 9 petroleum-based food dyes from the U.S. food supply and do it soon, the naysayers said it would not be possible. And here we are weeks later with an announcement that nearly 40% of food manufacturers have raised their hand to say, yes, we agree. There are no Democrat or Republican children in America. They are children. And so we can do this because we now have enough reason to be concerned about these petroleum-based food dyes. We don't need to wait for a 10-year randomized controlled trial. Parents are telling us that when a kid has abnormal behavior and they try reducing or eliminating petroleum-based food dyes, they have seen behavior improve. That is data. May not be a 10-year randomized controlled trial, but if we listen to parents, there are learnings there for the medical establishment. There are also randomized controlled trials also raising these health concerns with the petroleum-based food dyes. Now, we believe in options, so that means we want natural dyes to be available to food makers and ice cream makers. Normally, every couple years, the FDA will spit out one natural food dye approval. But on the charge of Secretary Kennedy, we have made this a priority, and Kyle DeMontis, who's standing here in charge of the food program at the FDA, has made this a priority such that in the very short time we have been in office, we have now the 4th natural food dye from natural ingredients approved by the FDA. Today, I'm announcing that the FDA is approving Gardenia Blue as a natural food dye with natural ingredients. We believe in options, and we believe in incremental improvements in health. The sickness of American kids is not a willpower problem. It's not their fault. We can do things that will make the food supply healthier one step at a time. So with that, I just want to reemphasize that this is a renaissance moment in health in America, and part of that is rewriting the broken food and nutrition guidelines of the United States. No longer are we going to have a broken food pyramid and a continuation of a 70-year demonization of natural saturated fat that began with Dr. Ansel Keys. We are going to have dietary guidelines that are based on science, not based on medical dogma. So with that, I want to say thank you, and thanks for giving me a few minutes here.